Damn, everyone's speeding. Look at this guy. Holy shit!
What the fuck?
Germany's efforts to arrest Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. The rest of the day's news.
This podcast is brought to you by the Live Quest. Cyber criminals are constantly attacking. They want your data, they want your identity, they want your innovation. Rely
Better not waste my shit. I'm way too high off like somebody lace my shit. Hors d'oeuvres with the string, you gotta say.